The Nike Book One what the marks Devin Booker's final farewell to his first signature sneaker, arriving in an ultra-limited run of 1,996 pairs, a direct tribute to his birth year and nearly 2 years of Book One storytelling. Expected to release on December 16, 2025, this $170 collectible blends iconic elements from almost 30 past Book One colorways along with several PEs. Staying true to Nike's long-running What the theme, the pair becomes a mashup of the line's most memorable designs. The left shoe highlights safari mudguards, golden Chevy-style suede, Sedona imagery, reptile textures, and Halloween stitching, while the right shoe mixes blue blood denim, Flagstaff map prints, desert camo, rainbow collars, and snakeskin overlays. A special one of 1996 heel badge seals its rarity, making this pair a must-watch release for sneaker fans and collectors following Devin Booker's signature line.